December of 1933, passed away January 25, 2025. Isa siyang maikukonsiderang legendary Philippine actress at queen of Philippine cinema because of her almost 70-year career in film and TV. She became the highest paid actress in the 1950s and one of the top box office stars during the first golden age of Philippine cinema. Rest in peace, Tita Gloria Romero ng Showbiz Philippine Industry.
Isinilang sa Denver, Colorado, USA si Gloria Galia o mas nakilala bilang Miss Gloria Romero o Tita Glo. Isang Filipino ang kanyang ama at Amerikano naman ang kanyang ina. Nagbabakasyon lang daw ang pamilya ni Tita Glo noon sa kanilang bayan sa Pangasinan nang maganap ang hindi inaasahan.
My papa brought us here. He promised my mom 1 year lang magpapakasyon. Broke out. Yung bahay namin kasi kinuha ng mga Hapon. It was an old big house. They took all of our pictures, kahit mga frames namin magagandang galing sa States and everything. Sinulog na, they buried everything.
Sa sobrang takot nilang mahuli ng mga Hapon, bawal daw magbukas ng... What was the reason po?
Kasi noong araw, bawal sa'yo mag-ilaw. Pag sinabing brown na, talagang complete or... Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kung na kayo mag-ilaw, darating mga Hapon. Marinig mo yung ganyan. Takot na kami. My mama, this was the stairs. This was her room. Akala niyo ng stairs, she rolled back. Down, all the way.
Hindi na raw bumalik pa sa Amerika ang pamilya ni Tita Glo at dito na raw niya sinimulang mangarap. Ilang taon po kayo?
Galia, G-A-L-L-A. Hindi, you're not going to graduate. Sabi niya, why sir? Kasi kulang daw yung ganito, experience and so forth. Sabi ko, it doesn't matter po. I'm going to be in the movies. I'm going to be a movie star.
Tira yan ni Gloria Romero.
Isa siya sa pinakamabait na artista na nagdaan dito sa Sampaguita. At hindi lang mabait, kundi iginagala niya at inirespeto niya pati ang mga crew.
Tagahanga pa lang niya ako noon. May early ano pa. Iyan ang walang tinatanggihan tagahanga. Walang ini-snap. Sabi ko, Miss Glo, pwede yung makahingi ng picture niyo? Pinirmahan niya. Tapos nilagyan niya, Love, Gloria Romero. Diyos ko, para na ako nasa langit. Sabi ko, ang bait nito.
Wala ko siya nakita sa shooting.
Sabi niya nga wala naman masyadong lines.
First time ko mag-marry. And that's my wedding. September 24,
Okay.
1960. Parang hindi na ako mag-memorize.
Once again, thank you, Miss Gloria Romero, For gracing the screen in television and sa malaking telon for 70 years. You are one of the icons and the movie queen of the Philippine movie industry.